Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a coloring book to sell on Amazon KDP with Canva. So guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to actually create a professional coloring book using Canva and publish it to sell on Amazon KDP. No design skills required, just creativity. All right, so your first step would be to set up your Canva. So make sure you have an account on Canva. If you don't have an account on Canva, simply log in and sign up for Canva. Now, once you're on Canva, click on the home icon you'll find here. So click on home here, and then once you selected home, head over to where we have templates and go ahead and click on templates. Now, once you selected templates, you could simply search for a drawing book. You could search for a coloring book template on Amazon, on Canva, and you would most likely find it on the template section. So you can find coloring books here or coloring books cover. Let's just go with coloring books for kids as this would most likely sell more. Now, this is what a coloring book would look like. You can see the number of pages is 27. We have 27 here. We have 13 on this side. We have 6. We have 13. We have 31. You're most likely going to make a lot of money if you stick to Amazon KDP's guideline of 20 pages and more for a more successful coloring book. All right, so most of the time on Canva, you're going to find this crown icon, which is to signify it's a premium template, which means you must have paid or you will have to pay to access this template and make use of it. Whereas the free options do not have the crown icon. So just go ahead and select a free option to make use of for your Canva. Just select the free option and click on customize this template. So now all you need to do is simply open up your Canva document. Once it's opened, you could simply make adjustments to this coloring book. You could change the front cover. As you can see, the front cover is set to white. We could make it this color, or we could make it this color, or something a bit more appealing depending on your audience. You could make it a bit more appealing and more easy on the eyes for the kids. And then for the coloring book, everything should be set to black and white. That is what a coloring book features, are black and white. And then if you scroll to the bottom of this page list, you would find that most of the time it does not have a closing page. So you could just simply click on the add page option and create your own unique closing page. So to do this, click on add page and you're going to open up a blank page. Now on the blank work page, you could simply use the um, coloring page outlines or mandalas using the Elements Hub on Canva. So click on Elements here and simply search for something as simple as coloring page outlines. So just go ahead and type that in. And once you've typed it in, go ahead and click on enter. And you would find outlines for coloring pages like this. We have more graphics you could add. And you could just simply have something like this, just expand it so it takes up the entirety of the space allocated to it and it exists in the middle. All right, and then you could just simply put a letter like "and." You could take inspiration from the first page, which is at the very top. You could take inspiration from here and simply use it on here. So guys, you could also upload your own designs. If you have your own designs, just head over to upload. It's a tab here. Click on upload, and then you could simply upload your own personal images here to the Canva page. You could upload it here to the empty Canva page and make it yours. Try to keep your page consistent. Like I said earlier, 25 to 50 pages is ideal. You could do something around 15. Just make sure you have a cover page and a front page and you're good to go. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on share at the top right and then select the download option. So click on download, and where we have PDF standard, keep it on PDF standard. You could select flatten. You could select the flatten PDF. This makes sure that all your pages are inside the same file and you can cover them separately. So just click on flatten and click on download. Now, once you've downloaded this PDF standard on here, just simply head over to Amazon KDP. Once you're here, click on where we have create new title. So you can go ahead and click on upload, but click on create new title first. And then what would you like to create? Hardcover, paperback, ebook. You could go with any of these options. You could go with any of these options. We could go with even a paperback. So let's click on this option here. And then it's now going to lead us to where we can possibly upload our book. If you scroll through, there should be an option to upload. Okay, guys, so make sure to enter your language, the title, the series, the author, and then on the next category, you get to upload your PDF. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.